Hello, welcome to the Cutting Edge Volume 8. Today's topic is gas adsorption recovery system.
Gas recovery container and regeneration pump.
We always concern unnecessary methane gas emission to the ambient from our industry. For instance, we want to eliminate gas emission during the gas meter replacement works, especially in basements and inflammable areas.
Gas meter replacement work.
We have invented gas adsorption recovery system to tackle the challenge.
Gas adsorption recovery container.
Gas adsorption recovery system is a plastic container filled with activated carbons.
Activated carbons.
And it is vacuumed before using. Pressure inside is lowered by a vacuum pump.
The container is vacuumed by pump.
Before taking the gas meter out, remaining city gas in the gas meter is sucked into the adsorption container prior to the work, so that no gas emission should occur. The container absorbs city gas until activated carbon inside are saturated with the gas. Since inside of the container is filled up with activated carbons, the usable volume to store the gas may be multiplied by 10 times as the volume of the container. Thousands of containers are currently used every day since its introduction. Well, that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching. I want to see you again sometime soon with another episode of The Cutting Edge.